Hello guys, welcome again. This is Michael. Yeah, today we have an HP here. The problem with this HP, it shows an endpoint security, and today we have the software that we can clean this BIOS. As you can see, this is the old BIOS that I copied from this machine. So we got a software this today. I only need to click once. As you can see, clear endpoint. There is no any. It is not yet complicated, so I have like 3 to 4 softwares in different way how we can solve this problem. But for now, I'm using this endpoint security. It only works on HP because it is only HP which shows this error. So we have many ways to fix it, but this today I'm going to show you the simplest ever. So what you need to do is to upload your code there. Then you just click once on the original, and the new folder will be formed where you copied for the old BIOS. As you can see, I only need to click once to clear this endpoint security. As you can see here now, these are my original BIOS I have stored there. You will see all the process. Then let me show you. Let me clear. Just click once. As you can see, it's okay. Now it has already been formed. I have already cleared, so you can see it is less than 3 seconds clear. Then you press OK. Let me zoom a little bit so that you can see endpoint successful cleared. As you can see, as simple as that, this machine is 1030 G3. Then the BIOS is going to be formed here. Then after this point, I'll use it emmc analyzer so that I'll see my original BIOS and my new BIOS if it has been configured or not. So this is the simplest way that you can confirm. Okay, there is no need for downloading any kind of BIOS. It is just a matter of repairing. As you can see, let me drag this one to me analyzer. As you can see, let me zoom it. Let me on my computer keyboard here, let me press enter so that you'll see the configuration. Let me minimize here. Then I'll press enter on my keyboard here. So you can see, okay, let me press enter. Then you will see the configuration of this BIOS. As you can see, let me arrange it well. Yeah, as you can see, now this is the new BIOS that I've already configured. And let me open. As you can see, the family version, type S chipset, everything is fine, and the BIOS is configured. Let me open the old BIOS so that we can compare and we see if there is any change. Let me drag aside here. Okay, let me drag this one, me analyzer. Let me open an old BIOS, the one that I copied from the BIOS. Okay, let me configure it and see if it has been configured. This is the initial statement, so I want to compare before and after, if we can see if there is any kind of change. But the endpoint security we have already done with that part. Okay, as you can see, let me press enter so that I'll see the configuration. Then we'll compare the two and we see if they are all the same or there is any difference. Yeah, this one now is the old. This I copied from the machine. Let me arrange it well so that you can be able to see, we can be able to compare the two of them. As you can see, as simplest as this one, this process does not need a lot of downloading issues. Maybe you go this process, you go the other process, so it is the simplest ever. Okay, we can solve this issue in four different ways. So today I'm going to give you the simplest one. Then next time I'll create another one so that you will keep on learning each and every day. As you can see now, this is the new one, as you can see. And this one I mentioned it 32 MB old. This one is I copied from the HP 1030 G3. This one on my right hand, and on my left hand here, this one is the one that I, after removing the endpoint security, this is the result now. As you can see, the families are also the same chipset, SQ, Corporate LP, both are Corporate LP. So I'm more interested here on file system statement. As you can see, it is configured. Then the other one is initialized, meaning this one, it has been copied from a machine and it was working before. So this one, which is configured now, I can upload it to my machine, and my machine I know will be working fine without those error code. As you can see, configured this before it was incised, so you can see the difference, and the size, it has not changed. You can see 0.0 times 6400. On the other side also 0.64300. Now let us go to the machine now, to the motherboard. I want to pre-program again so that we will see if our machine will work or not, but our BIOS, it has already been configured. Okay, let me show you the position of my EEPROM. Where is it? My chip. This is my chip. As you can see, I have two chips here, but for now I've copied for the BIOS only. So this one, as you can see, I don't think if you can see clearly because I'm using my phone to record. Currently, as you can see, it is not that much clear, but even the clarity is not that much bad. So this is, you can see this BIOS here. Let me zoom it a little bit. Let me use a petrol I'll see something. Okay, let me try my best and see if you can be able to see. The words are fading. I don't think if you can see, but to me still I'm not seeing it very well. The clarity is very low. Let me use the petrol now so that we can be able to see something. Oh, everything now, it is dull. I cannot even see. Let me clean it a little bit. So if we can manage to read those chips so that we can know. Okay, where is it? I copied the two BIOS, so I only need to confirm because I did not record which one is for 16 MB, which one is for 8 MB and 16 MB. As you can see, this one is for BIOS. No, this one is for, let me see, EC chip because it is 2564. So this one, no. So I think it is this one here, as you can see. And even onto this chip, I cannot see it very clearly. Let me apply some petrol to see if I can manage to zoom it. And I know it will going to work very fine. Now let me dry it. Okay, still clarity is not very well. No, yeah, exactly. Now I can be able to. I don't think if you can be able to read this chip. To my side, I can read it 160. Okay, okay. It is working fine now. Now I've already seen it. Now let me do one thing now. I need to grab my programmer. I'm using Pogo pins. Now let me program it. I know it will be working fine. So this is the part one of this machine as I'm fixing here. So I'll be preparing for the part two now so that we can see our machine, how he's behaving. Hopefully you have learned something. Let us meet on the part 2, and I know you will be learning good things. And if you have not subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can learn more from this channel. And if you think that there is something that is not well in this channel, maybe you can comment, then I'll know how to go about it. This is my channel, it is new, so I'm trying my best right now. So I hope part 2 it will be more fun. Bye.